Hi, I'm Norma, the executive chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for June. Today we're going to be making a pan-seared halibut with Carrot-Miso Purée and some grilled shiitake mushrooms. So to start, we're just going to take some peeled and diced carrots, and we're going to get them in the water and get them soft so that we can puree them. Next, we're just going to take our shiitake mushrooms. From here, because these ones are a little bit larger, we're just going to take the shiitakes and cut them in half. And then from here, just want to put them into a bowl. Going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a coat. A little bit of salt and pepper. And then lastly, some minced garlic clove. And you just want to toss these around. Next, we have our halibut, and you're just going to want to very generously salt and pepper both sides of the halibut. So for the halibut, you want to get an extremely hot pan, and you want to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the bottom. And you want to take your halibut and just put it down here like this. Now that you can see a little bit of color on the side of the halibut here, we're just going to flip it over and put it in the oven. Okay, there we go. And this is just going to go in the oven for just about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to be grilling the shiitake mushrooms. You just want to take all of those. Just going to put them right on here. You just want to grill these just for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until they're soft. So to make the Carrot-Miso Purée, you're just going to want to take your blender. I've already added just some whole cold butter, and with the heat from the carrots, it's going to melt the butter. So the carrots will go in next, and then we're just going to add a little pinch of salt. I have some white miso paste here. And then I have some yuzu, and I'm gonna add this for just a little extra zing to this dish. And now we're gonna puree. To plate, we're gonna start with our Carrot-Miso Purée. We're gonna take our piece of halibut and shiitake mushrooms. And then of course, for a little bit of color here, we have some microgreens, some of that really good olive oil. We have an abundance of edible flowers up here at the winery. So just for an extra little pop of color, this is our perfect pairing for the month of June. Let's try it. So good. I feel like I say that a lot, but it's so good. I hope everybody can come in and see us this month to try not only the perfect pairing, but everything else that I put on the menu. I've had a lot of fun making this dish. Come try our amazing wines. This one in particular is one of my absolute favorites. Cheers. Also, I have some sad news to tell you all. I'm chopping my hair off, so this will be the last pony whip of the summer. I know you're devastated, as am I. We're gonna get through it together. So, this is for all of you. extra, like 5 extra twirls just for you guys. Come visit me.